Hi, I'm Amy Korenik, a Sculpey brand ambassador. Let's take a look at the silicone mixing set. The set comes with 3 pieces that are perfect for liquid Sculpey or resin. The silicone cup is very flexible and it's 100 milliliter volume. The increments are marked on the back side. It's super flexible and it has a handy pour spout. Here's a bottle of our translucent liquid Sculpey in the 1 ounce, and I'm going to use the end of the stirring stick to stir up my liquids. The stir stick has a very flat bottom so that you can get all the way to the bottom of that bottle, and it has a scoop on the end that's great for mixing and for measuring. Now that my liquid Sculpey is stirred, I can just go ahead and leave the lid off and pour as much in here as I want. What's great about the increments on the side is that you can write down your favorite recipes for custom colors. You can always measure out the same amount of liquid into the cup, and then with the scoop tool, you can always measure out the same amount of glitter. The scoop end of the stir stick makes a perfect little measuring spoon. Next, I'm going to use my stir stick again, and I'm going to take that flat bottom and put it all the way to the bottom of the cup. Next, let's look at filling a mold. I'm pouring into this shape in the geo mold, and I can flex the cup if I want to. I can tilt the cup faster or slower. I can completely control how the liquid flows into my mold space. Once my mold is filled, I'll just tap it on the work surface. As I'm tapping, if I see little air bubbles surfacing, I can easily pop those with my stir stick. The lid makes it super handy to save excess colors for later. If this is one of your favorite colors and you know you're going to use it again, just pop the lid on. It keeps it airtight and it keeps it clean from dirt and debris. One of my favorite ways to use a big cup like this is to add a lot of liquid to create a pour technique. This time I'm going to pour various colors to create a layered pattern. So I have a little wooden tray, and I'm just going to go ahead and pour all 3 colors in the tray at once and see what a great random pattern I get. Then I can carefully tilt so that the liquids fill in the corners. Now, after your projects are done and you have excess liquid in the cup, put the cup in the oven right with your project. When the cup comes out, you can just flex it to release the liquid from the sides and then just carefully peel it out. To clean your stir stick, we'll use some rubbing alcohol and a cotton swab. Just dip the cotton swab in the alcohol and then clean it out. Now your set is ready for the next project.